In this video, I want to talk about how you can open a Trading 212 Cash ISA account. Now, this is pretty simple, guys. Just keep in mind there are a few requirements. The first requirement is that you are a UK citizen. The second one is that you're above 18 years old. And the third one is that you verify your profile with some sort of identification. So what you need to do is head over to the app or just to the website, click on either sign up or log in. Then when you sign up, you will be able to select a Cash ISA, or if you already have an account, you can click here and open new account and select it. Now, since I'm not a UK citizen, I don't have the option for it, but you will have that option. You can also go into the menu right here and click make new account, and you will be able to make a Cash ISA in there as long as you meet those requirements. Now that is the easiest way to do this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.